Hello there, classmates and tutor. My name is Leonardo Jimenez, student in engineer. Hello there, classmates and tutor. My name is Leonardo Jimenez, student in environmental engineering. In the lettering student do the Brigadier San Marcos is A. The environmental consequence that this company carries of the environment in terms of atmospheric emission and especially Trumping were indicated, and the beginning of November, a hearing wide the community was held as requisite in the leader in order to hear from the company about the measures they have taken to improve the environmental quality of the territory. At that time, they did not answer our questions. They said a person who had nothing to the right to environmental art of company and was only going to listen. Our, our proposals to improve the quality of the environmental are as follows: carry out a current diagnostic of the conditions of the contaminated hydraulic sources of this program, a series of water quality sampling to determine physical, chemical, and biologic. The state of the sources after this carry out an ecologic restriction plan in Earth sector. Reducing atmospheric emissions, install the filters that are necessary to reduce pollution into the atmospheres, and administer install air quality control points to determine to what extent the community is affected by these emissions. Thank you.